So, hello everyone, and welcome to the new episode of Building Our SMMA. Today is day 8, and you can say this video is kind of an update of the previous week. And I can't even believe that it's been a week, it's been a whole week since we are doing this. So, yeah, I guess we are doing some progress as well. The update is basically that today we did reach out to so many clients but didn't get the answers as well. And I don't know, for some reason they are not answering to our emails. And yesterday, if you watched the video yesterday, so you must know that I was an Afan and I was doing long emails, which I told you, and I was thinking is a very big problem for us. So I somehow shortened the email today, and let me show you how. So basically, this is the email that I changed today, and where is the mouse cursor? Yeah, there we go. So you can see this email is very short. I hope this email finds you well. My name is Maz. I'm reaching out from Pizza Wave. While exploring your Facebook page, I noticed that you guys are not running ads. We specialize in providing meta ads to businesses like you, helping them generate at least 10 qualified leads per month, and this is our offer. Otherwise, you don't pay. So we have written this in bold, so it will be visible for them. Then working with us surely will provide you with great success and achievable results in your business. I would love to discuss how we can help business name achieve at least 10 qualified leads per month. Otherwise, you don't pay. Are available for a brief call this week? So this is our new email that we are doing, and this is the email that we were writing before. This is a fans email though, but some of my emails contains some longer email than this. So here, as you can see, I'm not even gonna read this because it's so long. If I move the cursor right there a little, see, this is that much long email. So obviously it's a very bad impression to our clients because we are not gonna sell anything to them. Instead, we are just wanna grab them into the meeting. Same thing as I said yesterday as well. So that's what we are trying to do, and our goal is to just get the client in the meeting. Then we will try to sell everything whatever we are gonna sell. So this is the thing. If we feel like some websites, some clients need some touches in their website, we approach with that excuse. Otherwise, we approach with the excuse of meta ads because that's our primary service. So that's how we get that. Now the second update is that basically we finally booked a contractor, but there is a catch. We just did a meeting. Right now the time is 10:30 p.m. and we started the meeting around 10. So we just finished the meeting, and somehow you can say we 95% we booked the contractor, but there are few things that we are still not sure about them. First of all, the price. He was saying about hourly work, but obviously we couldn't afford hourly work, and we couldn't give him in advance as well. He was asking the money in advance, which obviously we cannot do. So we said to him that we will give you monthly payment, which will be very suitable for us as well, and for you it must be suitable for you as well. So that's how we finalize those things, even though he is very good with ads and all things. So we are, confident with him that he's gonna do the thing that we want. So we just need the clients, and as we will get the clients, we will outsource to him, obviously. With that, we have a little bit of update about our Instagram page, and there are few images I have put there, like around there are total in total there are two images, and Afan will post one today. So let me show you. So this was our first picture, and it had this caption: "We walking on the streets of success, working on our first project of our marketing agency. Exciting things ahead," which I have showed you in previous vlogs as well. This is our latest post, and I've just written here caption this because I didn't know what to write. So that yeah, that's how we are going right now. Although we are is increasing our speed of outreaching because we are very procrastinating on outreaching for some reason, because it's a very boring work. You got to see the website, you got to see the leads, you got to see what excuse you can give them to get them into the meeting. And if you don't get the response of your email, you need to follow up that email as well. So I guess we are very procrastinating at this moment, but we are not saying that we are disciplined right now, but surely, but we will work on it. And the final update of this video is basically Tomorrow I will gonna screen share and I will gonna record my face cam. Hopefully, if I got the time, I'm gonna record that and I will show you the all script that we are using right now. Even though we haven't got any clients, but still I'm gonna show the script and the script that I have written for meetings, for the client meeting. So we are already prepared for those things, and we just need the clients. As I told you, we just need the clients for our business. So yeah, we are just waiting for that. So tomorrow, hopefully, just hope for the best. Tomorrow, I will record a video of the scripts and the client script as well, and then I will show you, and that's how we are gonna proceed. So I guess that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have watched till the end, just subscribe the channel and like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.